nice Greek egg lemon soup, Avgolemono soup. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I've got our orzo in this pot our orzo is in this pot, and it's all cooked with, I gave it about a couple of tablespoons of the freeze-dried vegetable soup. Now what I'm going to do first, Anthony will come down to the board and I'm going to beat our eggs, and I'm going to temper them with a cup of the broth. We're just going to temper it, keep beating. You could do this in a blender, you could do this with an immersion device. And you see how we're not making what you call eggs here.
We're not making scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs, thank you, Anthony. And what I'm going to do is come back and bring this over here, because this is my thickener. If I need to do a thickening, I'm going to add a little bit of potato starch. So here we go. And then what I like to do is just add the lemon right into this. You can add it at the end. I like to get it in here now. All right, and so there we have it. We have our eggs, and now I'm going to take our soup off the heat, and what we're going to do is come right into our soup pot, and I'm going to start stirring. There we go. Okay, and then now you can see I can smell the lemon here. And then I'm going to add my meat. All right, this is my turkey breast meat. We'll get that in there. And then I'm going to get this back on the fire, just like this. Keep stirring, stirring, just like this. There's all different, people make this with different things in it. I'm doing it with a little vegetable soup, freeze-dried today, to make a really different soup. I put some meat in it just now. And what we're gonna do here is get this mixed. Now I want it a little thicker, so what I'm gonna do is take my thickener, my potato starch, just like this. I'm gonna bring it off the heat again, put it right here on this board, and I'm gonna pour just a little in there, just a little, to see if we can get it a little thicker, just a little bit. If you like it thin, leave it thin. Okay, I like it just a little thicker. All right, and maybe we'll just give it all of this right here. Okay, and so back onto the heat I go. Anthony will come over here and show you what all I want to do is keep this warm now, and we are ready. We are absolutely ready to have our Greek lemon egg soup. Avgolemono, lemon, egg, lemon. This is beautiful. Look at this, how pretty this is. Okay? And so there we have it. All we have to do now, at this point, it's ready to go. So we take our plate and we come into it. If you want it a little thicker, you can add a little more thickener. If not, this is just beautiful the way it is to me. I like it this way. Or you can make it a little thicker. All right, so there we have it. Okay, I'll bring it over here. Greek lemon, egg, lemon, Avgolemono soup. This is Pete at Carpizzo's. As always, wishing you the best. Out.
What happened to the bowl?
Out!